हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर सेशन गाइस। सबसे पहले जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस। हाउ आर यू? इज़ एवरीथिंग फाइन? अगेन से जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस। कैसे हैं आप लोग? सब बढ़िया जगह बिंदास, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तो अभी आप लोगों को पता होगा इटली, जॉर्जिया मिलोनी एंड मिलोनी एंड मोदी जी लाइक व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन दिस टाइम गाइस, but no worry, just we enjoy today's this full article. Okay. Italian prime minister, premier, what is say, India Italy upgrade tides from trade to corridor, defense to ports. ठीक है ना? India and Italy have upgraded their relationship to a special strategic strategic partnership with a goal of 20 million euros in trade by 29. They have made agreements on defense, critical minerals, and combating money laundering and terror financing. The leaders also discuss important global issues and committed to enhancing trade and collaboration. ठीक है ना? तो अभी तो ट्रेड वगैरह का बात हुआ, लेकिन अभी मैं थोड़ा सा अंदर चलता हूँ और उसके बाद इसमें डीपली डिस्कस करता हूँ। चलो चलते हैं अंदर। इंडिया इटली अपग्रेड ट्रेड स्पेशल स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप, ठीक है वही था। अब देखते हो इसमें, ठीक है ना? elaborating their bilateral ties to a special strategic partnership. India and Italy Wednesday set a trade target of 20 billion euros by 2029, agreed on a defense industrial roadmap, and concluded fact on critical minerals, countering money laundering and terror financing. These decisions were taken after Prime Minister Narendra Modi held talks with Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni in Rome. Italy was the final stop on Modi's six-day tour of Europe, which took him to Norway for the India Nordic Summit and on bilateral visit to Sweden and the Netherlands. From teach to innovation, defense to green energy, India is depending tides with Europe amid turbulence in the global orders. The Prime Minister visit to Italy reframe a strategic partnership in motion, coming as it does after intense leader level engagement actuated by joint strategic plan of action 2025 to 29. The operational roadmap for the partnership. Italy increasingly view India not just as a market but as a major power of an indispensable partner for Europe. Its championing of IMEC, Indian Middle East Europe Economic Corridor as a founding member makes it the Western action anchor of the corridor. The proposed Indian Middle East Europe Economic Corridor, Middle East Europe Economic Corridor will be just ensure stability of supply chain but will also boost India's energy security. Discussing the geopolitical situation, Meloni said Italy and India will continue to play their part at every level, often working in tandem to contribute to peace and help restore stability. Italy and India naturally share a common vision regarding many of the major challenges of our time: international stability, the upholding of the rule of law, economic security, the resident resilience of value chains, the promotion of peace and inclusive development. We also discuss many of the complex synchronations comforting our era, especially the situation in Ukraine and our shared commitment to achieving a just and lasting peace, as well as the crisis in Iran. We exchange views with the shared hope that peace negotiations might move forward and reach a positive conclusion even within a context that we clearly recognize as highly precarious. Modi said we have been in constant contact regarding Ukraine, West Asia, and other tensions. India's strength is clear that all problems should be resolved their dialogue and diplomacy रिफॉर्मिंग ये जो हम लोग का डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी है ना, क्या बोलें अब, चलो नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, बाद में बोलूँगा. Referring to the near closure of the strategic of Hormuz Strait of Hormuz, Meloni said regarding freedom of navigation, the restoration of which we are both actively working towards. We are two nations that need no reminding of just how vital this principle is to our interest. We also addressed the Indo-Pacific region where we naturally align with the Indian vision of an Indo-Pacific and that is free, open and inclusive. The bilateral peace in the relationship was marked by personal chemistry. Meloni posted a photograph of the two leaders with a bag of Meloni toffee. Melody toffees. Yes, yes. I'm just wait for this line, guys. Yes, upon on the social media hashtag Melody. Modi says, over the past nearly 3.5 years, I have had the opportunity to meet Prime Minister Meloni several times. This reflects the close cooperation and harmony between India and Italy. Under her leadership, our relations have gained new momentum, new direction, and new self-confidence. I am pleased that we are announcing the special strategic partnership as we upgrade our relation. Meloni said, I truly believe it is a historic day for the relations between our two nations. My friend Narendra Modi has been leading India since 2014, but today this is his first bilateral mission to Italy. Today, with this visit, not only are we binding this gap, but together we have decided to vitalize our relation. This visit is the apex of a fact that we have built together with determination to strengthen the ties. We are further strengthening our relation all the up, way up, way up, way up to special strategic partnership, the highest ever reached in the relation between our two nations, it's safe to state that now Italy and India are closer than they have ever been. We have also created an honest friendship based on respect and mutual trust. I have personally learned to appreciate the vision, the pragmatism, and the leadership of the Prime Minister, as so by how popular he is amongst his citizens after many years in government. And I think that this relationship of ours has very much helped us to work so softly on strengthening our bilateral relations. She said they want to increase trade from 14 billion euros to 20 billion euros. This is a very ambitious target which can be achieved also by taking advantage of the potential stemming from the free trade agreement signed between the European Union and India. Modi said Italy is renowned worldwide for design and precision, and India's identity is that of a powerhouse of scale, talent, and affordable innovation. We will move forward on the principle of this design and develop in India and Italy and deliver for the world, he said. The two sides agreed on a defense industrial roadmap which has long been an Italian request. In the wake of corruption allegations over the Augusta Westland deal, Italian defense companies had been buried from the Indian's defense market, but that is witnessing a change now. Our defense industrial roadmap has our defense roadmap our defense industrial roadmap has provided the way for co-development and co-production, Modi said. Yes. ख़त्म होगा कि नहीं भाई? 12 मिनट हो गया. The two countries also signed a pact on maritime transport and port to strengthen India's maritime infrastructure as maritime power close cooperation between India and Italy in the field of connectivity is natural. We will work together on we will work together on shipping, ports, modernization, logistic and the blue economy, he said. Yes, Meloni innovated his remarks. We are two logistic platforms which are projected in circular area of the world, the and Indo-Pacific area, strengthening the interaction between these two important areas of the extreme important. That's the reason why we want to further develop IMEEC, which is the infrastructure corridor, economic corridor between Europe, Middle East, and India, which was established during the G20 summit. This initiative we strongly believe in because we think that it can unleash a wonderful potential for our trade, for our business and uh, our relations. Yes, भाई ख़त्म नहीं होगा भाई, वो आने वाला है, ठीक है ना। रिलेशंस आ गया था ना, रिलेशन तक हम लोग आ गए थे। आवर गोल इज़ नेचुरली टू, भाई 15 मिनट हो गया, इसको कवर नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है ना। अब स्पीड से कर देता हूँ। आवर गोल्स इज़ नेचुरली टू लेवरेज दी कंपनी बिटवीन आवर, क्या स्पीड से करेंगे भाई, जो भी है। देखो मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आया था पता है, मैं बता देता हूँ। आया था, सोचा कि आज जो है ये मतलब कि सोशल मीडिया जो है ना वायरल बहुत तेज़ी से होता है भाई, खास करके इंडिया में बहुत सारा पर्सन जो है ना यूज करता है सोशल मीडिया, तो पता ही है। तो जो मिलोदी जो टॉफ़ी दिया ना मोदी जी मिलोनी जी को, भाई साहब लेवल पे एक पर था। चलो कोई बात नहीं गाइस टेलिंग मी ऑन कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ वाज टुडे सेशन, व्हाट इज़ योर एक्सप्रेशन व्हेन both both person in one frame two two person these two person in one frame sorry these two person in one frame, how was you feel, टेलिंग मी ऑन कमेंट सेक्शन। यस डेफिनेटली आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ, जब ये दोनों एक फ्रेम में रहते हैं, एक फ़ोटो में रहते हैं, तो कैसे लगते हैं भाई साहब। ओके देन सी यू इन अनदर सेशन इन अनदर डेट, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय टाटा अगेन, जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस।